Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A13 and A13 5G. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, you should find it here. Here has been the phone in and you should find the SIM ejection tool here. In case you don't have it anymore, you can use also the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So I've inserted two SIM cards here and one microSD card. If you want to remove them, just turn it like this, and if they are fixed, press it a bit on the other side and there. Get out. Now you can put some other SIM cards if you want, or you can put the SIM tray empty back into the SIM slot. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or maybe just subscribe me if you don't have it done before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.